Yes, the reading of the chapter. Writing in a diary is really strange experience for someone like me. अब क्या लिखा है एनी फ्रैंक ने स्टार्टिंग कैसे की कि राइटिंग की लिखना was a very strange experience for me, not only because I have never written anything before, सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि मैंने पहले कुछ नहीं लिखा था, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interesting in the musings of 13-year-old school girl. The only reason of not writing was not only that I had never written anything before, but the main reason was it seemed to me that later on no one will read the writings which I would write, because at the time I started writing the diary, I was just of 13 years old and I was a school going girl. So I thought that no one would read my writings afterwards when I will grow up. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Oh well, then she says, oh, it was right. It doesn't matter. I feel like writing. And then she thought that it doesn't matter whether to write or not. I feel like writing and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things. Then she thought that it doesn't matter. The only need which was there was that I have a greater need to write. She wanted to write to get all, and she wanted to jot down all the points which were there in her mind. Paper was more patience. Paper has more patience than people, right? It is a proverb. Paper has more patience than people. कि पेपर में पेशेंस ज्यादा होती है लोगों से. Now the example is that there are some feelings in your mind. You want to explain those feelings. क्या होता है जब आपके मन में कोई बात होती है तो आप वो किसी को बोलते हो जब बात, ठीक है, तो आप काफी हल्के हो जाते हो. Whether we always need someone to express our happy emotions and to express our sad emotions with. हमें कोई ना कोई हमारा नियर एंड डियर कोई फ्रेंड है, पेरेंट्स हैं, जिनके साथ हम अपने मन की बात कर सके, चाहे वो खुशी वाली बात है चाहे वो दुख वाली बात है. तो अब यहाँ पे एनी फ्रैंक क्या बोलती है कि पेपर हैज मोर पेशेंस देन पीपल, कि पेपर में ताकत ज्यादा, पेपर में पेशेंस ज्यादा होती है लोगों से. अब लोगों का क्या है, आप सपोज दुखी हो किसी बात के लिए, तो आप अपने मन की बात अगर किसी के साथ शेयर करते हो तो वो बंदा थोड़ी देर टाइम तो आपकी बात पेशेंस से सुनता है, लेकिन उसके बाद वो बात बंदा सुननी बंद कर देता है. लेकिन पेपर क्या है, if you are writing the thoughts of your mind on the paper, paper will never get fed up from you. पेपर आपसे कभी दुखी नहीं होगा. आप जितना टाइम तक चाहो पेपर पे लिख सकते हो. So paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed. ये फीलिंग मेरे मन में कब आई, जब मैं थोड़ा सा डिप्रेस्ड थी and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands. And I was at my home and was sitting by holding my chin in my hands. जैसे आप अपना मुंह पकड़ के बैठ जाते हो उदास से. The same was with Annie Frank also. She get bored and listless. Listless means with no energy or interest. Means she had no energy to do anything, no interest for anything. Wondering whether to stay in or go out. और वो सोच रही थी कि उसे क्या करना चाहिए. Should she stay in or go out? I finally stayed where I was. और finally क्या हुआ, मैं वहीं पे रही जहाँ पे मैं थी. Brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience. लेकिन उस टाइम पे उसने ये सोचा कि पेपर में पेशेंस ज्यादा होती है. ब्रूडिंग इज थिंकिंग सीरियसली. शी रिमेन्ड एट होम and thought seriously for a long time, and then she noticed that paper has more patience. And since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff back notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read, और दूसरी बात ये है, Annie Frank adds that I started writing a diary, but I was not writing the diary for someone else. Means डायरी लिखने का पर्पस ये नहीं था कि कोई और डायरी को पढ़ता, नहीं. Yes, but stiff notebook grandly referred to as a diary. जो चीज का नाम उसने डायरी रखा था, उसका she had kept that for herself only, unless I should ever find a real friend. Means Annie Frank had started writing a diary, and she had thought that she would keep on writing a diary till she gets a true friend. उसने ये सोचा था कि जब तक मुझे एक ट्रू फ्रेंड नहीं मिल जाता है तब तक मैं डायरी लिखूंगी. It probably won't make a bit of difference, और इससे कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. Now she adds that I am back to the point. I am again at that point that prompted me, that forced me to keep a diary in the first place. मैं उस point पे हूँ जिसने मुझे ये बोला कि डायरी रखनी है, was the पहली बात, and I don't have a friend. और दूसरी बात क्या थी कि मेरा कोई ऐसा फ्रेंड नहीं था जिसके साथ मैं अपने मन की बात कर सकूं. और उसने क्या सोचा फिर, ये सोच सोच के that no one is better than a diary. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. Let me put it more clearly. And but I think it is enough for today. So from here, we'll start tomorrow. Your homework is to do question number 1 and 2, that is the activity, and to be done in the book only, page number 45, chapter number 4. Activity 1 and activity 2, homework for 26th of May. Okay, bye beta.